Hi all, I'm going to show you how to make Plarn. Here's your grocery bag. If you, like me, you've been saving them for years, and if you get grocery deliveries, you can still get plastic bags. Or if you get like a delivery of you know, dinner delivered in. So you see what I'm doing here? I'm kind of smoothing it out. They've got these pleats on these bags. Not all of them are like that. And make sure your handles are, you know, just kind of uncurled. They also have pleats in them. It just makes it easier in the long run. And if you don't like this sound, this probably isn't the craft for you. But there we go. We have it nice and folded, or flattened. Now we're going to fold it. Just kind of get the air out. Fold it again. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off the end. You can save that for stuffing if you have something you want to stuff. And I'm going with like 2 inches. Okay, so there's the handle. I don't know if I have enough to do one more strip. I guess I do. Just going to cut off the handles. And leave the loop. Okay, so this one's not going to be so pretty, but it'll still work. Here's the other bits that you can save for stuffing. If you don't mind your pillows making squishy sounds, you can use scrap cloth and make pillow forms with the leftover bits. This is 11.5, and it is just a regular one-sided hook. I recommend using a jumbo hook. It's a lot easier. So anyway, you've got your 2 loops on this side, and then you fold it in half. And then just put it through your loops. Okay. I'm going to keep my pinky finger right here to anchor that so it doesn't come off. And now, to start twisting this, you can pull it a little bit. Okay, turn it around. And do the same direction. And I'm holding on to it with my finger to keep it from sliding off. And then I pull my finger out of the way. I'm just going in the same direction as the first half. Okay. Now just slide it to the end, to the closer to the hook, and then you just go in the opposite direction. Okay. My finger's starting to go numb. Okay, it might unspool a little bit. Grab your next loop. Pull it through both of the holes. Remember, you had 2 loops on the end over there. Okay. And pull it down. So it's half and a half again. And you can just hold on to the old one if you want. And I'm going to start with the part that has the hook. And I like to hold it up here. I mean, once I get it established, it's, you know, half and half, then I like to kind of just get it started like that. But you have to kind of hold on to it with your finger. Maybe you could do it like that with this finger. Give it a little tug. And then go in the same direction. See, whenever I'm starting out, I like to just kind of give it a little bit, just to start it. I think it holds onto it better. Okay, and then push them towards the end. And then you twist in the opposite direction. And it will unravel a little bit. And you can keep doing this. And in my next video, I'll show you what I'm going to do with this, but I'll give you a sneak peek of it. This was my practice piece. I basically made a coil pot, and I used this as the base to crochet around it. I'll show you how to do that in the next video. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.